Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To select a picture in a PowerPoint slide, click it. When a picture is selected, small white circles called resizing handles appear on its border. To resize a selected picture, place your mouse pointer over the resizing handle that corresponds to the direction in which to resize the picture until your mouse pointer turns into a double-pointed arrow. At that point, click and drag in the direction shown by the arrows to resize the picture in either direction, making the picture larger or smaller. If you hold down the Control key while you resize using a corner resizing handle, PowerPoint resizes in all directions at once, keeping the center of the picture set in its position. When the picture is the desired size, release the mouse button. To move a picture in a PowerPoint slide, click into the middle of the picture and drag it to another location, releasing it when it is in the desired location. Alternatively, to nudge a selected picture in PowerPoint, press the corresponding arrow keys on your keyboard. To delete a selected picture in PowerPoint, press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.